Governor-General Sir Patrick Allen is calling for new farming practices to protect Jamaica's food supply. He was speaking at the recent staging of the Denby Agricultural, Industry and Food Show. His call follows concerns from the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, that climate change issues are affecting farming.
We should not be caught off guard, but we must prepare and adapt ourselves to deal with these challenging times. In this sector, we have no option but to prepare for flood. We have no option but to prepare for drought, to prepare for predial larceny, high and low temperatures, and also hurricane.
Sir Patrick added that technology will play an integral role in developing sustainable farming practices.
There are technological applications that can benefit sustainable agriculture, and I encourage the farmers to embrace that technology and use modernism to its best advantage as they seek to boost agricultural production.
Jamaica is listed as one of the top 40 climate hotspots in the world, which means the country is among those expecting to feel the brunt of or has already started to feel the effects of climate change.